Inspector from Joint Reserve Base, Fort Worth, Master Sergeant Ryan Cheney, certified the highly technical loading process. The Air Force and the Army teams frequently train together to provide expeditionary warfighting and rapid deployment capabilities in support of freedom around the world. Ladies and gentlemen, from the left, the C-5 Galaxy. To the left of show center, to the north of the field, you see the C-17 again in the slow speed configuration. This time they are going to demonstrate that short field landing capability that this aircraft is so capable for. They do it on a paved and hard surface runway here today, but it doesn't have to be a hard surface runway for them to use it. They can do this in the middle of a jungle, they can do it in a desert, they can do it on packed ice in the South Pole. This aircraft has the capability to land very short, with thrust reversers you're going to see deployed here in just a second. Watch how fast this aircraft will stop.